In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals error code 10. Now the first step is you want to open up CMD and you want to right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh winsock reset. Once you've done this, you just want to close it down and then do nothing more. Then head over here and search for View Network Connections, right click, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, use the following DNS and type in 8888 just like this. Then press OK and see if it works now. If it's still not working, what you should do is you should right click on Marvel Rivals, go into Installed Files, find the launcher, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Apply an OK and see if that works. Now, if this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is try and allow it through your firewall. So allow an app in here, change settings, find Marvel Rivals, and check all three of these. If you don't find it, you just want to allow another app and then browse and go to the folder we just found in here. And then you want to add the exe file. Now, if none of these work, what you should do is come here and search for network, reset now, and then it will restart your PC and then it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can find a router inside your house and unplug it and then plug it back in. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.